since the suspension clamp is also a mechanical device. Any connection to the suspension clamp is done with bolts. They are made of steel for strength and to prevent wear and tear. U-shaped bolts can play a role in strengthening the body, making the body firm. A suspension clamp shields the cable during the foundation of the transmission line onto the post. The clamp in like manner gives a mechanical relationship by ensuring that they're the right longitudinal hang on the transmission line. When working at heights, use suspension clamps improve the electric field state of the high altitude optical cable and the end of the P-reformed wire. Reduce the loss of electric energy and reduce the electrical corrosion of the optical cable due to corona, thereby prolonging the service life of the optical. We choose the suspension clamp. We should meet the following points. First, the suspension clamp should be able to bear the full load of the wire. Second, suspension clamp could bear the combined load. The loads contains vertical and horizontal loads of conductors or lightning conductors. It should not be less than or equal to the failure load of the wire clamp. Third, suspension clamp should have standard grip strength. Last, make sure the actual hanging angle of the outlet on both sides of the wire clip. The angle should not be less than 25 degrees. The suspension clamp's curvature radius should be at least 8 times the diameter of the installed wire.
Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.